we are moving into the third verse, which is also called the Shim Sham 2. So basically what you're getting in each of these verses it's the same basic steps and combinations with a little bit of a variation thrown in here or there. So you know the basis. Now we're just going to change things up a little bit to make it a little more interesting. Starting with the Shim Sham, instead of doing stomple step, stomple step, stomple ball change, stomple step, you're going to do stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. So what that's going to be is stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Then it starts on the left side. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Okay, so let's put that together. You're going to do it 3 times, just like you did in the first 2 verses. So you have 5, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. From here, the break is going to be not the same break we've been using. Instead, you're going to do stomple heel tip, heel step, stomple heel tip, heel touch. So that'll start left, stomple heel tip, heel step, stomple heel tip, heel touch. Okay. Let's put it all together. From the top of the Shim Sham 2, you have 5, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple heel tip, heel step, stomple heel tip, heel touch. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, a 7. Five, 6, 7, stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple step, stomple step, stomple heel tip, heel step. Stomple heel tip, heel step, stomple heel tip, heel touch.